Today I will show you how to sew the sequins. If you want to sew the sequins, you of course need the sequins. As we will see, we have them in different sizes. We can have 2mm, 4mm, 6mm. Actually, you choose any size that you need for your project. The first I will show you how to do a simple overlap stitch. Then we position the sequin and stitch it into our line. When I sew the sequins, I use the matching thread that is in the same color as the sequins, but here I am using a different color thread so you can see where to where the sewing thread is. And if you use a matching thread to a sequins, it also won't be visible where you have sewn them. So this is simple overlap stitch. When we need to have more security with our sequins, we sew them with 2 times. It looks like a letter V in the end. If you sew them 2 times, they are attached a lot stronger. So I recommend you that you use this technique when you want to sew them on your clothes or on your purse, somewhere where is a lot more movement. As you can see, we have formed a letter V as we sew the sequins. I space them approximately 1 to 2 millimeters apart, but if you wish to achieve another effect, I recommend you that you just go ahead and try it and you will see if you like or not. If we want to have more colors, we can even combine our sequins. Just put one big and one small, like I did here, and then you just sew the same way that we have before, and this will help you to achieve another look on your crafty ideas. Don't forget, just put the next stitch 1 to 2 millimeters further, and here is another way that you can play with your sequin patterns. Another way to play with sequins is to add beads on top, but here is the same trick as is with the sequins. Before you start, try if your beads go through the eye of the needle. If it doesn't go, you need to find smaller needle, and here we go through the same hole that we have inserted the sequin. If you wish that your threads are not seen, use the similar color of thread that is your bead and sequin. And here you can also play. Okay, sometimes some beads don't go through the eye, and in that case you need to take them off and try with another bead and save that bead. Okay, here you can see it goes, and find for those beads that don't go, you need to find smaller needles, and then you can use them. So these are individual sequins with a bead stopper. Another variation. So we will first add the sequin, and then we will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one it won't go. It doesn't go. As you can see, don't pull it, because then you will break the bead. Just try with another one. And now we will add one more sequin. And so here we have 2 sequins with the line of beads, and you can add whatever number of beads that you like. It depends on how long you wish to have this chain. Whenever I want to add some extra volume to my designs, I use 2 sequins and a bead, or in this case I will use Delica. This is Delica 11. As you can see, I have put 1 sequin, 1 Delica, 1 sequin, and then I will just insert the needle next to the Then I help a little bit my sequins so that they form beautiful. See? This way you can add more volume to your designs. This process goes faster when you don't try to film it and to show to the others how you are doing this. So like we did before, here is where I have inserted the needle, and next to it I will go through the fabric. You can use smaller or bigger sequins, whatever you prefer. And here I will show you a variation of the overlap stitch. We will make the first row. And instead of making them horizontal, we will sew the beads vertically. And now we will sew the sequins in between, so they will overlap this row. And you will see that we will even hide the stitches on the threads very well. When you hand sew the sequins this way, it is always you can create very different designs and color shades if you have different colors of sequins, because you can change the colors in between, because that if you are working with a Lunaville hook, you can't do that, or a tambour hook. I use this pattern often when I am embroidering sequins on my flowers. I like to make flower brooches, and when I add sequins they get that special shine that without the sequins they wouldn't have it. And here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ways how to sew the sequins and get a different effect for your designs. If you like my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I am very grateful for every new subscriber, and I reply to all the questions as soon as I can. See you soon. Thank you.